Hi man, hi, how are you doing?
Yeah, good. Just working on my project.
Okay.
It's about like a TV show where teams build furniture and they like competing against each other.
Okay. Interesting.
Wanna know more about it?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Why not? Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you can come to our office. We can explain it.
Sure, I'd love to.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thanks.
Hi, I'm gonna tell you how we came up with our idea. First, we had to categorize what projects can be. Then, we brainstormed until we thought we had enough.
Something else?
Apple pie.
Good one. Then?
Save the llamas.
Oh yes, the llamas.
We ended up filling 3 pages with all kinds of ideas. Finally, we voted.
Final project. What would you say about the space party on the moon?
No.
No.
I don't think so.
What about the evil cats?
No?
One? No?
But one really stood out.
Alright. Then what about the IKEA building show?
The IKEA building competition. We ended up choosing it as it was original and no one has ever done it before. There were some other honorable mentions though. For example, music festival, Jurassic Park, Hunger Games, and a campaign to save the llamas.
IKEA building show.
I think that's the one.
That's alright.
So, about the show itself. The IKEA Masters is a tournament where teams will compete against each other by building up the same IKEA item. Every team consists of 2 members, and one episode will last for half an hour. In every episode, there will be 2 teams competing. Their mission is to build up the exact same piece of IKEA furniture, and the team which builds it faster will be the winner and goes to the next round until the tournament finals. One season will be divided into 2 tournaments, and the winner of them both will compete the season finale super finals. This will make 30 episodes in total, plus the super final, which will end the whole season. Every episode winner gets the item which they build plus the opponent's one, so both of the team members gets the old piece of furniture. The winning team of the tournament gets €2,500 gift card to IKEA, and the winner of the super finals gets a gift card worth €5,000.
Hi, I am Samuel and I will talk about schedule of IKEA Masters. Okay, in 2018, in February, we finished from idea, and in the next of March, we find like sponsors, and after that in April we find TV channel for that. In the May we added like 8 episode, and in June we added 4 episode. From August to November we show on TV, and after that this finish from the first season. After that we start for second season. After the second season we will go to super final, and this on the live. Okay, I will talk about future for this project. If you find the people interesting for this show, we will continue after that to make like a new season.
Hi, I'm Nico, and I would like to tell you about the costs of producing our show. Based on our calculations, the total costs of one season would be €41,500. And this amount of money would cover the salaries for the TV host, camera crew, light and sound technicians, director, and studio rent, catering, and the audience.
Hi, I'm Nea, and I will tell you something about our show's income. It is based on selling the episodes and the format to TV channels, but of course we will get some money from our sponsors like IKEA, and if needed we can find ourselves an investor. First, we need to know all the costs and compare them to the estimated income, so we know if the income from the other sources will cover the costs, and if so, we don't need the investor. And selling the episodes to the TV channels will be our next step, and if the show gets popular, which we strongly believe in, we can try and sell the format to other countries' TV channels. And if the show gets worldwide this way, the sponsorship money should be guaranteed and our show should have a bright future ahead.
Hello, my name is Miguel and I will tell you some risks we may face with our project. As you know, building a TV show on paper may seem pretty easy, but in reality there will be many difficulties and many risks. A main risk is not finding a sponsor which will leave the idea hanging around. Also, TV channels may not be interested in our idea, so we will have no aircast. Also, there may not be even room for new TV shows to be viewed. So in case those two have been achieved, there still may be the lack of interest of participants which will leave the show without views and giving it a bad reputation. Having a bad reputation will also drag the sponsors with us, which in the end they may end up cutting ties with us. There will be many ups and downs when building a business, but in the end it's better to take the risks than lose the chance.
So what do you think about this project?
Yeah, I like it. I like it. You have a good thing going here. Definitely.
So you're gonna invest in it?
Absolutely.
Good? Good? Down. I can't say projects. Anyways.
The whiteboard, we have some like numbers and stuff.
The fucking show. Two fucking teams. Winner gets
2050.
We can... Fuck!
As you know, risks we may face.
Yeah, I think that is good. I think that's good enough.